If your power button has enough time to go make a coffee before Windows actually loads, we have a problem. Most people think their computer is just getting old, but the truth is Windows 11 comes with default settings that actually slow you down over time. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off the bloat and force your PC to boot up instantly. Let's get into it. First, we need to disable a feature that Microsoft loves but gamers and power users hate. It's called Fast Startup, and ironically, it's probably making your PC slower because it never lets your system from performing a fresh, clean boot. Search for Control Panel from the search bar, then open it. Select Power Options, and click on Choose what the power buttons do. You will notice the shutdown settings are grayed out. To bypass this, click Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now, uncheck Turn on Fast Startup. By disabling this, we force Windows to completely clear the system memory upon shutdown, eliminating bugs and ensuring a fresh start every time. Click Save Changes. Next, we need to manage resource allocation. Background applications are the primary cause of sluggish login times. Right-click your taskbar and launch the Task Manager. On the left navigation pane, select the Startup Apps icon. This list displays every piece of software attempting to launch automatically every time you turn on your PC. Inspect the Status column. Anything marked Enabled is consuming CPU cycles and RAM the moment you power on. You need to be ruthless here. As you can see, I have already disabled non-essential applications like Microsoft 365, Microsoft Teams, WhatsApp, and all other apps that I don't need for startup. Simply right-click any application you don't immediately need, like Spotify or a browser, and select Disable. This ensures your processor focuses solely on loading the operating system, not third-party bloatware. Finally, we will manually configure the boot sequence to utilize your CPU's full multi-core potential. Press the Windows key plus R when the Run command pop-up, type msconfig and hit Enter. Navigate to the Boot tab and select Advanced Options. By default, Windows may not engage every logical core during the boot phase. Check the box labeled Number of Processors. In the drop-down menu, select the absolute highest value available to your hardware. In my case, that is 12 cores. We are effectively commanding the kernel to deploy maximum processing power during the startup sequence. Click OK and then Apply. The system will require a restart to implement these architecture changes. Go ahead and execute the restart. You should observe a significant reduction in boot time and a snappier response from your desktop. If this tutorial enhanced your system's performance, please leave a like and subscribe for more technical optimizations.